Good morning and welcome to today's edition of Finxocapital Daily Financial News. We're here to navigate the shifts and turns of the financial markets together. Let's get started with today's top stories. And in US stock news, investors are reflecting on a standout year for the markets. The S&P 500 climbed an impressive 25%, while the Nasdaq surged over 31%, even breaking the 20,000 milestone in December. However, last Friday's sell-off hinted at potential repositioning ahead of January. Analysts predict the market's next big test will come with employment data on January 10th and Q4 earnings reports later in the month. And in Forex news, the dollar is ending 2024 on a strong note, up 6.5% against a basket of major currencies. Meanwhile, the yen remains near 5-month lows, trading at 157.82 against the dollar. Analysts are watching for potential Japanese intervention to stabilize the currency. On the euro side, it's been a tough year with a 5.5% decline against the dollar. Currency traders are now looking ahead to the Federal Reserve's January meeting for further rate guidance. Over in Asia, markets are off to a quiet start this week. China's factory PMI data is due tomorrow, with expectations of further stimulus in 2025. Japan's Nikkei posted strong yearly gains of 20%, but South Korea's main index faced a 9% annual loss amidst political uncertainty. Meanwhile, European markets are keeping an eye on Russian gas transit concerns, which may drive increased LNG imports into the region. Shifting to cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin remains a key focus after peaking at over $108,000 earlier this month. Despite a recent pullback, the digital asset has gained an impressive 115% this year. Crypto investors are optimistic about the incoming US administration's friendlier policies, which could fuel further growth in 2025. However, rising dollar strength and regulatory uncertainties remain hurdles. And finally, in commodities news, gold prices are holding steady, up 27% for the year, as geopolitical uncertainties and inflation fears keep demand high. Meanwhile, oil markets saw a modest boost last week with Brent crude at $74.22 per barrel. Analysts expect stronger demand from China in 2025, driven by increased economic activity and stimulus measures. Thank you for tuning in to Finxocapital Daily Financial News. Keep an eye on the markets, and we'll continue to bring you the latest financial news and analysis. Have a great day.